Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope all of you are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a watch list. See, when you're trading, you're a trader, the first thing you need to do is find the stocks which are moving higher. That will give you the trading opportunity so you can make money, and that is the first and the most important step and the most basic step, because unless you find stocks that are about to move higher and are moving higher, how will you make money? Or maybe if you are a short seller, then you need to find stocks that can fall further, and for that you need to be prepared, and the best way to is create a watch list. So I'll be teaching you how to create a watch list in two ways. One, you can use for day trading also, and you can do that exercise every single day. It won't take much time, and you can find high momentum stocks daily. Uh, and the other way, you that is like a kind of lengthy and exhaustive way, where you'll be manually scanning a lot of charts. Or you can do that on the weekends and prepare a list of the stocks that you want to trade next week or maybe for next few weeks. It's mainly for the swing and the positional traders, purely price action, not the future and options guy. I don't support future and options. I don't trade future and options, and I don't understand future and options. That's why I'm a pure cash trader, and this is for the pure cash trader. But you can also use it for intraday and maybe also futures also. So I'll be teaching it two ways, and today the tool we are going to use is the trading view. I'm sure you must have heard, if you're in the market from some time, then you must have heard the name of this website, or even call it a tool or anything. Oh, yes, before we go any further into the video, standard disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and any stock discussed here is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade or making any investment. Oh, so let's get started with the video. And the tool we're going to use is the trading view. You can just search it on Google, and the first website that will come, the trading view. Open it. Then you can go here and create a account. Maybe you can create account with Google, sign in, or if you don't have a account, then you can get started and sign up. Although it is a paid software or website, but you can use many of its features for free, and we're going to use the free version today. So you can just sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple ID, or LinkedIn, or your email. So I already have an account on this website, so I'll be just logging in on my account. So the next step uh, you should do is go to charts. Here you can take a look at all the charts of the different stocks, like every stock that is listed in this world. You can check its chart on this, even the commodities, also like the gold, silver, or maybe stocks, Indian stocks, foreign stocks, or like cryptocurrencies or the currencies also. You can do all that stuff here on this website, and it is a really nice website. I use it almost daily, not almost daily, I use it daily. It's my favorite website for charting. So the next thing you should do is this. You can see this arrow here at the bottom right corner of your screen, and just open it. And then the next step you should do is select this stock screener here, and then go to the filter. So currently I have applied a filter. I'm gonna reset all, then we're gonna start from the basic. Okay, so when you go to the filter, you can search the filter, or you can find it here, just like I have this one here, the new 52-week high. So basic psychology behind this, and the basic thought process behind this exercise is, we want to look for the stocks that are outperforming the market. In my one of the videos, I have taught you about the relative strength. What is the relative strength, and how to find the stocks that are relatively stronger than Nifty, or maybe that are outperforming the market. Basically, the stocks that are relatively stronger. So it is kind of extension of that, but it is easier than the previous method, and it will save some time also. And you can repeat it daily. So first thing you should do is, when you open this filter, when you go to first, you open this stock screener, then go to the filter, and then you can search the new 52-week high. Search for this filter, uh, like this. I have it here, maybe you'll find it here, or you can just go down and watch all the filters like this: new all-time high, new 52-week low, 6-month low, or maybe new all-time low, and all of that. Then next thing you should do is select the 52-week high. Then, as you can see here, we have 186 matches here. I'll be extending it a little bit. So after we applied the filter, these are 186 matches that we got. All the stocks that made a new 52-week high. New 52-week high is just the 1 year high. The stock crossing its 1 year high level. So because as you can see, the Nifty is currently down, and these stocks, if they are making the new higher level, or they are making new 52-week high, they are obviously stronger than the broad market. So the next thing is, like as you can see here, there are many penny stocks like this one that are just moving in circuits, and you can't practically trade them. Like you can see here, 51 rupees. Like there are some, like these are useful stocks that, as you can see, that have proper structures, and there are many small penny stocks that we don't want to trade. So one thing you can do is, again, go to the filter, and you can look for, just go down and look for the closing price. Yes, this post market close. Look for this post market close, or you can search the filter here. Look for this post market close here, and then select. It will be selected below default, but click on it and select above or equal. So you can type the price above which you want the stocks, all the stocks that are above that price you want in this filter. Like I use 50, maybe 50 or 60. Like all the stocks whose price is more than the 50 or 60 are gonna show up that I'm making 52-week high, because I don't want to trade the penny stocks like of 10 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, and that is just time waste, and most of them are manipulated and moving in circuits. Because so that's why I apply this filter of the post market close. Like you need stocks that are above 50 or 60, or maybe you have a different criteria, like you don't want to trade the stocks that are below 100, or you want to trade stocks that are at 10 rupees. So that is up to you. So I use this 50 filter, and then just, as you can see here, the matches reduced from around 180 to 63. So these 63 stocks are at their 52-week high level, and now they are all the stocks that are above 50 rupees, and they are at 52-week level. So our first step is done, and the next step we're going to do right now is, like, just open the chart of every single stock and look for the structure, if they are forming any structure. As you can see here, like we have this Dani Total Gas here. As you can see here, it is moving higher daily, and while the Nifty is in a kind of a range or even going down, as you can see here, it is making new high. So all you have to do is look for the structures that are forming. Like if I show you an example, like you can see here, this is the chart of the Adani Wilmar. It was recently listed. So as you can see here, that it was moving uh, uh, to its 52-week high level, around its 52-week high, and it came in this filter. As you can see here, first it gave a falling trend line breakout at this point, and now it's at its 52-week level, and now it's about to break out from this level. So this is how you can select the stocks that are moving higher. As you can see here, another example, the Chalet Hotels. As you can see, it formed a clear base, and last 2-3 days ago it gave a breakout. As you can see, 2-3 days ago it gave a breakout. Now it's trading at its 52-week level high. 52-week high level. So that is how you select strong stocks that are moving higher than the market, and are relatively strong, and look for the patterns and the structures. Maybe some stock is forming a cup and handle, or a head and shoulder. That way you can get it at the breakout, or even before the breakout. Like this one, as you can see here, it has given a breakout and now just consolidating above this region. So my trading plan in this would be, I'll keep my stop loss below this level. As you can see, this breakout candle around 260 rupees, and I will buy it around this level, and in case it comes down, then it will hit my stop loss, no problem. And if it as you can see, it is relatively stronger to Nifty, and if the broader market recovers, or maybe even jumps, Nifty goes up to for 2 3 days, it can easily head higher from here. So that's how you catch stocks that are relatively stronger. So you can apply this exercise daily and look for the stocks that are moving higher and creating new highs. That way you can get all the stocks daily, and which are making new 52 weeks high. Because uh, why 52 week high? Because we are looking for stocks that are relatively stronger and performing better than the market. That's why 52 week high. So the next other method I told you, just go to the filter and just remove this filter of 52 week high. Then you will get the list of all the stocks that are available in the stock market that are above 50 rupees. Here, as you can see here, 1607 stocks that are above 50 rupees. You can find the list of all the stocks, and this step is pretty exhaustive. Or you can apply one more filter. You can select the exchange, because many of the stocks are listed on both BSE and NSE. So I'll be looking at only BSE, and then you can get the list of stocks. Just remove the filter of that 52 week high. Wait a second, let me remove this filter of 52 week high. Okay. Or you can exchange the NSE, any of the exchange you can. Like if I chose this NSE exchange, then you can see here I got 1038 matches. And we have, let me make sure we have, yeah, we have removed the filter of 52 week high. Wait a second, where's the 52 week high filter? Oh yeah, we have removed that, and all the stocks that are above 50 rupees are here. So this exercise is very exhaustive. I did this today on the weekend, and here is the list of all stocks from these thousand stocks, 1100 stocks that I selected that are in good market structure. Now, on the weekend you can do this because it will improve your charting skills also, and your you will learn a lot about the charts and the price action trading this way. If you scan every single chart manually, because as you can see here, if I show you the list of stocks that I selected, you have to go through the every single chart and look at the patterns, or maybe the reversal patterns or the breakout patterns or any pattern that stock is forming. So did this today, and you can see here the list of my stocks that I have selected. It's a very small list from the two around 1000 stocks. It's a small list, and you next week just focus on these names that you have selected, and you will find really good stocks that will give you the strong move in shortest time possible. As you can see here, the first stock here is the Bajaj Finserv. As you can see here, it gave a declining trend line breakout, and now just consolidating at this level, and I can keep my stop loss here at below the breakout level. And if in case it moves higher as the market recovers, it can move higher, and then I'll catch the whole move. And that way, this one also, Balrampur Chini Mills, it gave a breakout last week and now just consolidating over the resistance zone. And if you take a look at the Bandhan Bank, it is about to give a declining trend line breakout. You can find such structures when you manually scan all the charts and look for the structure, maybe the reversals or the breakout patterns or anything, any method you use for charting. So this is a really nice way to select all the stocks in one place, and it will save your time also. But this manual charting requires time and it's tiring process. But trust me, if you are passionate about charts and you want to learn price action trading, then you must do this exercise every single week, or at least you can do that 52-week high exercise every single day, and you will get high momentum stocks. As you can see here, this Brigade Enterprise also, it is trading above it. It's near all-time high level when the Nifty is down from, let's take a look at a Nifty. As you can see here, Nifty is down from its all-time high level and now just consolidating. And on the other hand, if you can see, the Brigade Enterprise, while the Nifty was falling, it gave a very strong move on the upside and now just consolidating below its all-time high level. So that's how you look for the stocks for week, from the swing trading or the positional trading perspective. I don't do intraday trading. Maybe sometimes if I get good structures, then I will do intraday trading, but mostly I'm a swing and the positional trader in the equity segment. So this is what I do every single week and every single day to find the stocks that are outperforming the market, and then I look for structures and make my trading plan. So this was it for today. I hope you learned something new today, and in case if you really learned something new and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, uh, and do like the video. It motivates me. And if you have any query or maybe some suggestions, you can write them down in the comment section, and I'll post the link of that relative strength video also in the description and on the I button, on the top right corner. So that was it for today. Goodbye, take care.